I gotta look up the Dinosaur Train. Come on, bro. I'm going off the theme song right here. I feel like Dinosaur Train. Dinosaur Train got the better theme song. I fuck with it. I fuck with it.
The mission of the Master of Science.
Dinosaur Train. Mrs. Pteranodon. He heard a scratch. Said, "Oh boy, my eggs are hatching." What? Baby's Pteranodon. 1, 2, 3. Ronnie said, "Wait, there's one more, Mom." What? A teeth and a tail and big green eyes. What am I doing in a Pteranodon? Bro, I'm not.